Hello YouTube, I have a video here today on how to tear down a HP Chromebook. This is a different type of video, usually I upload gaming, but now it's this. So recently I came up with a problem that one of my buttons didn't work, and I was able to fix that by tearing it down, and I'll be showing that. So if you have your Chromebook, you'll see that they have these rubber things, and you'll be peeling those off to get to the screws. Those are off. And you'll just screw away, unscrew. It's not that hard to take apart. Get in there. Let me use a smaller flathead. There we go. Hold on. Use this one. Just need a little elbow grease. Elbow grease. Oh my goodness. And wait, actually, hold on. Ever so slightly. And you can blow it or something. And put it right back in. And then you can take your flathead and do the same to this part. This one. If I can get the camera to focus. Boom. Take it out. Blow or whatever. Then put it back in, and then don't forget to let the flat back down, and then that should resolve your problem, unless you need another keyboard. But this solved my problem before, and it might solve yours. Put it back down. Make sure that all the clamps are clamped. Then, after that, just put your screws back in. Then, once you put your screws back, make sure you put these plastic things back where they belong. And also, you see this little stick right here? That would go inside the hole right here. So actually it's the one with 2 holes that go in there. Those. And then the ones with 1 hole go inside the 1 hole ones. And flip your Chromebook and test it out. Boom. Typing shows up. That should fix your problem.